Hey everyone, welcome back to another Dr. Twisted's Toy Time. Today I got 3 bags of Goodwill toys that I'm gonna open. I've been going through some bins. I have like 2 bins this size just full of weapons. And I've been organizing them all. If you've seen my floor right now, it's just all bags of weapons and little parts and missiles, and I've been going through and organizing them into like TMNT and Star Wars and G.I. Joe and X-Men and so on and so on. And it's been a lot of work. I've been out here for hours today. I'm ready to go to bed, and it's been fun. I mean, I'm almost thinking about doing like a live video for my Patreon or something. So I want to start doing more stuff on my Patreon, like art related and toy related. I don't know if people would be interested in seeing like a live organization or a video of me just going through bags of weapons, figuring out what goes where. So I know there's a lot of stuff here. And I've been finding some other cool little toys, like this little 6-pack of beer I can put with some of my toy scenes. Some little figures and play sets and stuff. It's been interesting. I got like 2-gallon sized bags full of TMNT weapons, and I noticed a lot of them where I can complete some of my figures, so I'm happy about that. I'm doing all the organizing first, and then I'm gonna organize all the bags and figure out what goes where. So that's been interesting. But for now, I want to go through these Goodwill bags. All right, the first bag right here, I just cut it open, but I got this one for $4.74. So let's see what is in it. All right, looks like we got one of the Final Faction. That's what it is. It's one of the Final Faction robots. So very cool. I like that. I like Final Faction. It's this Batman toy. Looks like he's got a little button on the back. It looks like he's supposed to fling something. Kind of inappropriate, but he's got like a little, I don't know what that is. It's got like a hole in the back of his head. Maybe something plugs in there. Looks like something might plug into the backpack here too. Or maybe it holds discs or something, and then he puts them in his hand and he flings probably batarangs or something. I don't know. It's probably a McDonald's toy. Yeah, McDonald's. Still neat. I don't have that Batman, so speaking of Batman, here's this super what is this, super kick Batman. Yep, got a button on his back. Guess you gotta figure out his little sweet spot, but a couple interesting little Batman fast food toys. Karate kick Batman. Alright, here is a Superman minus his cape. I think think this was from the DC Universe line. It's got that body style. Sad, I thought his cape was in there, but this Roadrunner basketball player from Space Jam. Another Burger King. Alright, here we go. It's an actual, like, what's this, Kenner Batman. Looks like a cyborg or some kind of night vision. Looks like the kind that, yep, it's got the little red disc on the back, and you put light in it and it shines the light through his eye. So that's pretty cool. He's got like some weird awkward stance. His waist doesn't move, so he's standing got like a weird sideways stance. It's still pretty neat though. I like that Batman. Alright. There's one of the cheaper Mandalorian figures with just the 5 points of articulation. Pretty neat. I didn't have that. And the reason I got the bag is because of this guy. I think he's a Lord of the Rings, but I just really liked that. I thought that face was kind of creepy. He has his arms. He's probably missing a cloak. Probably had a cloak or something that went over him. He's obviously missing accessories and stuff, but I thought that was pretty neat. Get to him for customs or figure out what he has missing and then go from there. Where'd my scissors go? Oh, there. Cut this next bag open. Alright. This bag I got for $2.83. Got a little McDonald's garbage. Got this Mario figure. I like him, so I'll add him to my little Mario collection. Very neat. Some weird little Pokemon little fidget toy. One of the reasons I wanted it was for this clear translucent fly. I don't know if it's like a pencil topper or something. It's got a hole in the bottom of it. But I just thought that was cool. It's a giant translucent fly. Another reason I got it was for this ball here. I love these. I got a blue one, but for some, I might still have it, but I know I had another one and the ball just like caved in, and so I had to pop the ball, and I just took the eyeball koosh thing out of it, and I got that sitting in my Mad Balls cabinet. But I really like these little like glitter eyeball ones. So that was cool. Happy about that. And then there was this Hulk toy still in the package. I thought that one was definitely worth $3. Alright, and the last package here, let's cut open. This package is another $4.74. And this one is full of dinosaurs. You know me and my dinosaurs. There's this cool looking T-Rex looking guy here. That's pretty cool. It's like squishy Triceratops. Some kind of cool lizard. Stegosaurus. Pretty weird looking Stegosaurus. He looks like he's stoned, sticking his head, his tongue out. I like his paint job though. One of these horny geckos. I actually used this for I had this one a while ago and I used it for a custom piece. That's probably what I'm going to use this one for too. Got this cool Ankylosaurus. I think that's what these are. I like his tail. Pretty neat. Oh, that's cool. Move his leg and his head moves. Neat. But the reason I got the bag is for these next two. These little Gamera. I thought that was cool. So I think these are like $5–10 a piece, brand new. So I thought the like almost $5 was worth it for this bag. It's really cool. And then there's this like the newer Mechagodzilla. So you can have the battle of Gamera and Mechagodzilla together. So that was the reason I got that bag. But there's some cool dinosaurs in there as well to add to the collection. Alright, there you go. There's my 3 Goodwill bags. What was your favorite toy that I picked up? Do you think I overspent? So what was it, 5, 10, about $13 for all that stuff? I got some fun things, some things to just throw in a bag to get rid of, some things for my collection. So I think it's worth it. But there you go. Stay tuned. So I definitely have a couple more videos to do. I got a couple packages in the mail this weekend. And I'm waiting for another one from eBay, and then I'll do another video for that. So I got like 1, 2, 3 more videos so far, and then I might do a video for my Patreon for all these weapons. I don't know. Let me know if that would be something that's interesting to you. And if you want, I will leave my Patreon description and link down below if you want to. All I have is like $1 or $5 like tiers. I mean, if you do anything, then you can basically see all the stuff I post, art and videos. But I just started not too long ago, so I've only got a couple things up art-wise. But I want to start doing some toy videos as well. Maybe I'll do the, like when I go to a thrift store and actually hunt, I'll do those kind of videos with walkthrough footage for my Patreon, and then just do my haul videos on YouTube. I don't know. I'm open to suggestions. If anybody's got ideas, let me know. But until next time, friends, peace.